Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out from the Adobe Photoshop Express application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on your account. And once that is done, you can just look in the top of your right corner, there you will find three dots, press on that as well, and here you can just press on sign out, and you can just press on sign out once again. And after that you will be signed out instantly, and later if you want to sign back in, you can do it with your Adobe ID, or you can do it with one of your Google accounts or your Facebook account. Basically, I'm just going to log back in with my Google account, and after waiting a little bit I will be logged back. You can see I am inside the application. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.